Hello, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and today we're going to be looking at another DLink product with the outdoor Wi-Fi smart plug. And if you've never heard of DLink products, usually they deal with kind of internet-related things. I don't really know how to describe it better than that. I've used like 5 DLink routers in my life, and basically they're just set up, and it's like I get another router, I just put it in, and it works really well. They have not let me down. This is a company that I really like and always review their stuff. I'm really glad that they've got great things always coming out. And this guy looks like he is made for this season. As you can see, we've got some snow in the background. It's the holiday season. A lot of people have Christmas lights or a lot of outdoor things out there that they want to turn on and off at will, and this guy will make it happen. So I'm just going to unbox this guy to see what's inside. And as you can see, well, as you can't see yet, but okay. Very tricky unboxing here, but make it happen. So I got your 3-prong plugged here, and you've got 3-prong plugs in here with this and this, and what's this? Oh, it's a USB in there, just as a bonus. These look like the setup buttons. I imagine if I were to plug it in, and I may or may not do this later, but I'm going to see about setting this up with some Christmas lights and seeing how well it works. If it does work at a touch of a button, that's a big bonus. So I'm liking that. Anyway, this is a product that's available for about $49.99 on the DLink site. And if you've got something outdoors that you want powered and you want to be able to shut off at will, this is your item. Anyway, that's all for now. So this is Mark Rollins, signing off.